Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Akanksha and this is Infi Desires Doodle. If you are interested to know how to do doodle expressions, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Thank you so much Abhirami, Harsh, Amit, Kaustubh, Anshika and Rosmin for subscribing. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you don't miss an update. Also, before we go, just on a side note, I am suffering from a little bit of a cold, so my voice is a little different. This is part 2. I have already done part 1 and link is in the description. So for this again, you can use anything, a pencil, ball pen, sketch pen, fine line pen, anything. I'm using a black sketch pen. Since my voice is not very pleasant, I'm just going to leave this with the music and you can enjoy and see how I have done these simple and very easy doodle expressions. Thank you so much for giving so much love to all my earlier videos. If you like my channel and if you really like the videos that I do, please like, share and comment, and do let me know what else you want to see on this channel. Thank you so much and enjoy the video. Also, before I forget, I come up with new videos every Thursday, so keep checking my channel on Thursday and there will be some very interesting and new videos. Let me know which is your favorite from this one. If you haven't checked out the earlier one, the link is in the description. Let me know which one is your favorite from that as well. And please comment as to what else you would like on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks. Also, I'm there on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, or you can also write to me on my email ID. All the links are given in the description. You can go and check it out, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. I will come up with a new video next Thursday. Till then, please take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.